To use Apple Pay in store without a card, you need to have a compatible Apple device and a bank account that supports Apple Pay. First, make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is running the latest version of iOS or watchOS. Next, open the Wallet app on your device and tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new card. You can either scan your card using the camera or enter the card details manually. You will then be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions of your bank. After adding your card, you will need to verify it with your bank. This is a security step to ensure that you are the owner of the card. Your bank may send you a verification code via text or email, or you may need to call them to verify. Once your card is verified, you can start using Apple Pay in store. To do this, make sure your device is unlocked and then hold it near the contactless payment terminal. You will see a prompt on your screen to authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After authentication, the payment will be processed and you will see a confirmation on your screen. You can also use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch by double-clicking the side button and holding the watch near the terminal. It is a good idea to keep your device and card information up to date to avoid any issues with Apple Pay. You can do this by opening the Wallet app and tapping on the card you want to update. Using Apple Pay in store without a card is a convenient and secure way to make payments. It eliminates the need to carry a physical wallet and reduces the risk of card skimming or lost cards. By following these steps and best practices, you can start using Apple Pay today and enjoy the benefits of contactless payments.